What's up everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for tuning in, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you exactly how to take photos of your wholesale deal to make sure you are getting the best photos of the property and to make sure you're getting the right photos that your buyers need to see, so that way when you're marketing your wholesale deal, you have the right images of the property in order to sell that wholesale deal for the most money possible. Guys, your pictures of the property when wholesaling real estate are actually extremely important in order to make sure you're able to sell the deal and in order to make as much money as possible on the deal. That being said, this video is going to be super valuable to learn more skills for wholesaling real estate, so make sure you stick around and watch the whole video. If you guys aren't already subscribed to the channel, hit the red button and subscribe. But with that being said, let's get right into it. So I'm going to share my screen and I'm actually going to show you properties that I have taken pictures of myself personally here in Arizona, so that way you can see exactly the right way to get these photos done. So first off, you are going to want to get a photo of the front of the house. You can also choose to rotate and take a picture of the street from each side, so that way the buyer can get a understanding of what does the neighborhood and what does the road that the property is on look like. But first of all, the main picture of the front of the house is most important. What you're going to want to do is definitely do not park your car in front of the house, because that's going to be blocking the house. So make sure you park somewhere else on the street. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to step back, stand across the street, and take a photo of the property. Next, we're going to move on to key components here. Some of the key components are going to be the AC unit, the electrical box, and the hot water heater. So this is a photo of the inside of the electrical box. So when you're walking the property, it is important to open the electrical box and get a picture of it, because a lot of properties, they need a new electrical box put in or an updated electrical box done. So you want to make sure you photograph that. And in this case, this property had a good electrical box that wasn't too outdated. So this was a benefit to the property. It didn't need to be upgraded. So this picture would help me sell the deal. And it also gives the buyer a better viewpoint of everything going on with the property when taking pictures of those key, components of the property, those things that cost more, right? Your AC unit, your hot water heater, your electrical box, those are going to be big ticket items that cost the buyer more when fixing up the house. Next, you're going to want to do the same thing. Get in the backyard, stand at the back of the backyard, and take a photo of the back of the house. Try to get in the corners of the backyard, get the widest view possible, so that way you can get the best photo of the whole house in the frame. So I'm shooting each side here of the house, and then there you go, the AC unit. Like I mentioned, it's important to take a photo of the air conditioning unit. So I did. Sometimes the AC unit is on the roof of the house, which makes it harder, but if it's on the ground like this, it's easy to get a photo of it. Also, the sides of the house. I know there's not a lot going on the side of the house, but you still need photos of it, okay? Next, this house was on a golf course, so I obviously wanted to get a photo showcasing the backyard faced out to a golf course. Next, the other side of the house. Then another one of the patio in the backyard, because there was a nice patio space. Next, the seller actually provided me a document that they got from when they got the house that shows the exact layout of the property. This was a valuable piece of information that the seller was providing at the time of the appointment. So I took a photo of it. Next, they had some information about repairs that they did do to the property and when these repairs were done. Like the washer is new from 2018. The water heater is 2017. So I took a picture of this information they were providing me as well. Next, I got a photo of the living room. As you can see, I am standing all the way at the back of the living room, as far back as possible, to get the best view of the whole room. Next, I'm in the master bedroom. I'm standing in the corner of the bedroom to get a wide view of the whole room. Next, the bathroom. I'm making sure to get a good photo of the tub, so that way the buyer can see if the tub needs to be redone or not. Next, I'm getting one of the vanity in the bathroom, one of the showers, so they can see the quality of the shower and the condition of the shower, the toilet. So I got pictures of every component in that bathroom. Next, they had a little craft room. I'm standing in the corner of the craft room, making sure that they are getting the best view possible of the whole room. Next, a closet. This is like the master closet, big closet. I made sure to get a good photo of that. Walk-in closet. And now we're back in the living room, but I'm getting a better angle this time, a better angle of the living room. This is where I'm getting the other angle so they can see the backyard out. And again, I'm standing in the corner getting the widest view possible. Next, this is the hallway entryway. Got a photo of that. Here is their dining room. Standing in the corner of the room to get the most view. Took a photo of that. This is their little living room in the entryway. This is another little office they had. Another bathroom. Another bedroom, standing in the corner of the bedroom. Here's the kitchen, getting a good angle of the kitchen. Another angle of the kitchen right there. Again, pictures of the roof, so that way we can see there's no leaks or anything going on. Then the laundry room, garage, hot water heater, one of those main components I mentioned. Get a photo of that. They had a water softener. Got a photo of that. So guys, as you can see, I took a photo of the front of the house, the backyard, and every room, and the key components. The AC unit, electrical box, hot water heater. So those are all the photos you're going to need. One of the front, one of the back, one of every room, and then one of the key components. All right, so that is how to take the photos of the property. You can also do a video walkthrough of the property. That's valuable for buyers as well. Now, sometimes you can also buy a drone. You just need to get the cheapest drone. There's a DJI mini drone. That's what I bought. It was like $300-400. And I would go, and at some of our properties, I'd fly the drone up, and I'd get a photo of the roof. This provided a lot of value to buyers when I was trying to sell deals, that they were able to see exactly what was going on with the roof. And then if the AC unit was on the roof, I was able to fly the drone close to that, get photos of that AC unit. Guys, next one I want to show you photos of just for entertainment purposes. This was a deal where I made $130,000 on one wholesale deal. All right? And the property was in rough shape. So this is the septic tank entry point, access point. I got a photo of that. Here's the living room. They had a ton of stuff. It was like a hoarder situation. Look at their kitchen. The flooring's all coming up. It's a mess. Food everywhere. It was nasty in there. They had a massive leak behind the washer. Here's another view of the kitchen. I'm getting every room from the corner, every closet, every bathroom I'm getting photos of. Here's the master bedroom. They were like sleeping on the floor right here. It was crazy. Here's their bathroom. I'm getting photos of the bathroom. It was nasty in there. Look at this shower. It's gross. Oh, let me get back there. Oh, I lost my track. Let me go back. Yeah, here's the shower, all nasty. Look at this bathroom, a mess. Little entryway there. Now we're in the backyard. Again, one of the patio. Again, one of the pool. The pool needed to be resurfaced. Made sure to get good photos of the pool. There I am. There's the cellar. There I am, taking photos. Seller's talking to me. Pool equipment. Made sure to get a photo of that. Look at that pool. It's nasty. All right, and then I get up on the roof. There was a stairway up to the roof. There was a ladder, so I got up on the roof, got photos of the roof, just to add more value. How can I provide a better comprehensive value, right, when I'm doing this, right? How can I provide as much value as possible to the buyer with my photos so that way they want to make me an offer right away? Guys, the better pictures you have and the more comprehensive pictures you have, the more confident the buyer is going to feel about the deal. So what does that mean? They're going to be quicker to make you an offer, and their offer is going to come in higher because they're not guessing. They know what they're getting because you provided good information. They feel confident about their remodel budget and how much it's going to cost them. They feel confident that they have a good, well-rounded understanding of what the property entails. So they're going to make you offers faster and pay you more if your pictures are done properly. Overall, those are all my tips on how to take pictures of a wholesale deal. I hope you guys found this video valuable. As a gift for you for sticking around for the whole video, I'm going to go ahead and give you a free gift as a thank you for sticking around and watching the whole video. All you have to do is go to jacobblank.com/free. There will be a link down below in the description for this as well. All you have to do is input your information. You're going to be able to download my purchase contract, my cold calling script, and my assignment contract for completely free. So that's a thank you gift for you for sticking around for the whole video. But other than that, I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, hit the like button. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, go down below, hit the red button, and subscribe. And other than that, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace.